everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I have some metallic Arteza paints that I'm going to be reviewing. They sent me this whole box of 36 metallic colors and I just decided to go through and pick out a few and do a painting. So these are the colors that I have right here. I have Pearl White, Pearl Lilac, this one is Pearl Royal Purple, Pearl Pink, and Pearl Hot Pink. And I think what I'm going to do is just a flip cup on these and see what happens. I'm just testing out the colors to see. The pigments actually look really nice. I mean, when I mixed them up, they mixed up nice and creamy, no lumps, and these are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts pouring medium, and my pouring medium that I used in these is Liquitex, floetrol, and water. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I am going to start with, I think, the purple in the bottom, the dark royal, I think it's called. And I did not put any silicone at all in these colors. Whoops, I'm spilling it. I'll go with the dark pink now. They're a little bit thinner than I normally do. Not sure kind of why I did that, but I did it nonetheless. So I'm just going to dump all that I mixed up in this cup because I did not make a lot. So I'm hoping that I actually made enough. So we'll see. These are very pretty colors. And I picked them because they're my favorites. Purples and pinks are my favorites. So that's the only reason I chose those. I figured the first time I was experimenting, I would just use the ones that I caught my eye and I liked the best. Alright, and then I'm going to, yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and flip that on, just like that. And then I'm going to take what I have made, this white pearl, and just go around it. There's not a lot at all, so this is all I got. Just leave that set right there. Now I did test a few colors on just a piece of, paper. It's actually from canvas that I bought. I reuse like that. And these are the colors that I used right here. So they look like they dry really pretty. These are some other metallics that I've mixed up that I'm gonna do a video on those colors too. So we'll see how this works. Alright, so I'm just gonna lift it. Okay, lift that up. I'm gonna pop these air bubbles, just a few that I got. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and just move it around a little. Okay guys, I'm going to take you in for a close-up. You can see how pretty these colors look. yeah, they blended really, really nice. So I'm hopeful that they dry really nice, and I guess we'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the dried painting, and as you can see, this one cracked also. So it's back to the drawing board. I do have a couple other ideas of what is happening. I do love the pigments in these paints though. This one is so pretty. The colors are just really, really nice. So I don't want to give up yet. I want to figure this out, and got a couple more ideas. Alright, so stay tuned for the ongoing experimenting with the Arteza paints. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.